welcome back to Boundless. Today I'll be giving you my quick guide and review of my new DJI Mini 3 drone. So is it beginner friendly? Definitely yes, but let's dive into why.
Since this was our first drone, flying it for the first time was incredibly easy.
It's agile,
Responsive!
and stable in the air,
Even in very windy conditions.
which we tested.
To turn on the drone, press the on and off button once, and then press it again and hold it. It's the same for the controller.
This is the return to home button. By pressing it once, drone will stop and hover in place, and if you hold it till it beeps, the drone will return to home point. The flight mode switch is for cinematic, normal and sport mode.
The left stick controls the altitude and the orientation, the right stick controls the forward and backwards motion, and the left and right movement. At the front is the camera buttons for taking pictures, recording videos, zooming and moving the camera up and down. The camera itself has landscape and portrait modes, as you can see here.
Let me quickly show you my camera settings. I've enabled the overexposure warning and changed the grid lines.
Right here you can change the camera resolution and the FPS. Just remember you can only shoot HD videos in 30 FPS or lower.
Here you can change the exposure value. Since I have enabled overexposure warning, I'm able to see striped lines in the areas with high exposure.
QuickShots are intelligent flight modes that help you capture aerial shots with ease.
To do these shots, you have to select the target you want to capture. However, please be careful when you're doing this. Always check your surroundings to see if there's anything in the way of the drone.
This footage was shot with 24-mile-per-hour winds, and as you can see, it's very stable.
When it comes to flying, the Mini 3 doesn't disappoint. It has maximum speed of 24 miles per hour. It has incredible range of 8 kilometers, and you get around 30 minutes of flight time for each battery, which is quite impressive for such a tiny drone. One drawback, however, is that it doesn't come with micro SD card, so you have to buy it separately.
Also the price, it's expensive. We paid £720 for the RC Fly More combo. However, you do have cheaper options, like buying it with the standard controller. That will cut the price down to £588. Or you can buy the standard kit, which will help cut the price even further to £429.